How to fix blocked account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix blocked account on your Imo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Imo application. Once you are here, click on your profile icon and you're gonna find the last option, which is help and feedback. And here click on account and you're gonna find account blocked. Now they give you some reasons why maybe your account is blocked. Now all you need to do is read this and take the notes, follow the steps, and if this is useful, click on check icon. If it's not, click on the X icon. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe and like.